Hi, welcome to 30-minute trade. Here I recommend the stocks on daily and weekly basis, as well as I do market analysis every day. Here I pick the stocks based on the fundamentals and the technicals, as well as the current market sentiment. So based on three factors, I have developed so many strategies, and out of that I choose the best stocks and I recommend to you. Only thing you need to put 30 minutes time every day to execute it. If the market is good, then you can execute it. So I will tell the when to buy, where to buy, all those details every day. So let's go to the today's market, how it is working. After that, I will go over the recommended stocks. Okay, let's jump into the market. Here, last 2 days, I think the selling was heavy in the Nasdaq and as well as whole SPY. Market is, I think, so many stocks are really went down. If you look at the big stocks like Apple, so everything looks like it reached the top. When I see the chart, it looks like it reached the top. So if it breaks down below this point 306, then I think we can expect some correction in this one. If you see Google is also the last 2 days, I think it's heavy. We need to see how far whether it is sustained here or will go up. So looks like volume is also high at this time. And the Microsoft is also heavy selling for the last 2 days. So and also it looks like it kind of reached the temporary top. So we will see whether it will sustain here or not, 172. So a lot of stocks, I think, a little bit breaking down at this time. We see Netflix looks like it reached the at the top here. After that, I think it's trying to pull back. Facebook is also same thing. So so market in it's in under pressure right now. We need to see come in a couple of days, we will know whether it forms the correction or it's the bottom or something like that. So it looks like a SPY and Nasdaq both are in the same pattern. So might be we'll see whether it will sustain here at this time or it will go until 327. But so far it looks like it doesn't seem good. If you look at the T2108, it's basically tells who is dominating who. So whether bears or bulls are dominating. So far, I think for the last 4 or 5 days, looks like selling is happening. Um, we will see it's slowly happening selling. So there is no huge bull kind of thing at this time. So we need to see. So far I think I'm not initiating big position at this time. Only thing I just initiate a pallet positions whether it is market working or not. So our technical fundamentals as well as market, both if both three align, then only your stocks will work out. Otherwise it will take a huge loss. One or two stocks might go up, but overall your portfolio overall stocks also goes down. So with that mind, we will see. We'll review the last week that I recommended on Thursday, Wednesday, I guess. OYST still I'm holding this one. This is a biotech, Oyster Point Pharmaceutical. Still, it is in uptrend. Sometimes, most of the time, biotech stocks is not correlated with the market. So that's why it is totally independent compared to the market. So OIST, I think it is gave the huge run 5.88 on one day. RDNT still it is in the range because the market didn't work out, so it didn't move. Viru is also same thing. So market didn't acted very well, so it didn't break out from here. We will see whether next week it will go up or not. We'll look at ALY. Still the way this one is still in the range. Just put it in the watch list. So if market works, I think it will work. DDD, I'm little bit suspicious on this one. It needs forms a more range. We will see whether it will move or not. But so far, I think in the weekly chart looks okay at this time. Okay, let's go to the today's stocks. BLDP. I think last a couple of times I recommended this one. Again, it came to in my watch list. So far in the so for here in the weekly pattern, it looks like a very parabolic stage. So in the daily chart also it looks like good. Still it is stabilizing. We need to see whether it will move from here or not. If market a little bit good, then it will move ahead. RDNT, as I mentioned yesterday, I think same way. I think it is also in the range. Switch, this is a switch techie company. If you look at the long-term chart, it's really good. From here, I think we can expect more. So it looks like in the long-term pattern is really good, and also it forms the cup with the handle pattern here, and it's stabilizing here, and a lot of volume came, and the float is also 125. It's good. So let's go and see fundamentals. See, EPS this year is 128, 120%. Next year also they are expecting 139. PBIE is also more, and EPS next 5 years also they are expecting more. Looks like someone people are upgraded many times so recently, and also for the last 1 year it is really working fine. So that means the momentum is still on the stock. So if market is really good, then this is really awesome. Still it is forming the range. Even though market has correction, it will form the range here. Once market is really good, then immediately we can initiate in this one. So far the market my weekly chart is really very good for this one. IIPR, this is a real estate, innovative industrial properties. This is really good. In the weekly chart, really it is going just now broke out. Last 3 weeks is working fine. We can expect 150 something like that in future. So volume is also picking up. If we stabilizes here, we can initiate because it's up almost 5 6 7 days. I think it will expect, we can expect some kind of a range here. After that it will move from here. So this is a real estate one. Tandem, this is a diabetic, Tandem diabetics. So this is one of the leading stock in the if you look at the in the diabetics area, it's healthcare. I think this is a really one of the good stock. I recommend. This is a long-term pattern. This is just now broke out in the last 1 week, I think. So if it forms the here range, I will initiate one more time this one. So these are the 5 stocks I'm recommending. I don't have the much ideas because market is in correction, so I'm too cautiously on this one. I normally at the market is under pressure, I initiate only pilot positions, so I don't initiate a full position at this time. So we cannot expect if market turns good, then I will get more ideas, and also I will initiate big positions. Okay, so for today I think this is uh, that's it. I think if you have any questions, comments, I think you can post in the comment sections. I will also put my recommendation in the below of this video. And also if you like it, please subscribe it, recommend anyone, so that you also benefit and also others benefit. um, and also I will post this post into the 30minutetrade.com, so you can review and analyze from your side. uh, so far the market is not great at this time. um, and also don't take more than 5% less, and also the don't buy anything before earnings. So this so market, if market is under pressure or some kind of a correction, if something is wrong in the earnings, it will go more than expected. So that's why I don't recommend any of the stocks to buy before earnings. Okay, that's it, I think, for today. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. See you soon.